Today I got to do something really cool. I got to go to Prosper for the first time.
It's a great community.
It really is. It was very pretty, and I got to go to Rucker Elementary School.
Look at those smiles.
I know. They were so excited for us to be there. We did a Weather Minds presentation, and these are 3rd, 4th, and 5th graders. So it was hundreds of students, and they just had the best time. They were they were just so smart and happy, and they had so many questions. So they were very engaging. They were just so great. So thank you for having me out there. And I was telling them, I promise I'm going to put your picture on the shows this evening. So I'm going to continue to show those tonight. But today it was a beautiful day. We ended up having some sunshine. Temperatures were pretty cool, but above normal. We made it to 67 degrees, but the normal high this time of year is 56. So we're doing pretty good. Nowhere near the record though. The record today was 78 degrees. That was from back in 1996. So not even really all that long ago. We were rain free, at least in the Metroplex, but there has been some rain in parts of North Texas. This is our Fort Worth camera, and obviously the sun, it is setting, but we still have some breaks in the clouds right now. So it is a kind of a pretty sunset. This is our pollen count, mountain cedar. It's still in that high category. Don't see that going down anytime soon. We're at 55 degrees right now in Denton, 59 in McKinney, 59 in Greenville, 58 degrees over in Canton. Satellite and radar showing some of those breaks in the clouds. But yes, there's been some rain across some of our southern counties today. That's pretty much falling apart, but we still have a few raindrops, more so to our south and west. You can see that in between Gordon, Mineral Wells, and Eastland. But we also have a couple of raindrops right in between about Kaufman and Canton. But that's kind of moving off to the north and east, and the coverage looks to be lowering as well. So for the rest of this evening, I expect most of us to stay dry, but we are tracking a cold front that could bring maybe a few sprinkles north and east of the Metroplex overnight tonight. The cold front should be moving through DFW roughly at around 4 o'clock in the morning. Behind it, what we're really going to notice is the drop in temperatures, but the increasing wind. It is going to be pretty blustery during the day tomorrow, and that wind is going to be out of the north-northwest, so it's going to feel a little bit more chilly to you. But we are going to see some sunshine during the day. Tomorrow evening, the wind subsides, it goes away, and we're going to see lots more sun on Thursday and a lot less wind. Wind gusts tomorrow will approach around 35 miles an hour at its peak, but again, by tomorrow evening, that wind will start to slowly go down. We're going to see lots of ups and downs in our temperatures over the next several days. We also have some cold fronts moving in, but these are going to be pretty insignificant cold fronts. So you can see the ups and downs, but temperatures don't look too extreme either way. It's not going to be too hot or too cold. Temperatures look pretty seasonal all in all. So for tonight, we're going to be partly cloudy. Temperatures drop down into the mid-40s, so it's going to be a chilly start to tomorrow, but you may want to hold on to those layers tomorrow afternoon, because despite the fact that we're going to hit 60 degrees, we're going to have that north wind with gusts around 35 miles an hour. We're back in the upper 50s and dry on Thursday with a much lighter wind. We got MLK Day showing up next Monday. It looks dry for that day, and we also see some sunshine. We have a chance of rain the day after on Tuesday. The second half of the 14-day, we've got lots of 60s, some 50s, but all in all, the pattern just continues to look really